Which type of galaxy is the Milky Way? Spiral. What protects Earth from harmful ultraviolet rays? Ozone layer. Which animal can sleep standing up? All the options. Which one of the following big cats cannot roar? Cheetah. What color is the blood of an octopus? Blue. Which one of the following is not in the 3 R's to save the environment? Resource. Which one of the following is a true fish? Seahorse. Who discovered the nucleus of the atom? Ernest Rutherford. Which is the second largest organ in the human body? Liver. Which is the SI unit of mass? Kilogram.